Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring commissions have come in. I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account. This is my all-time and three columns to be we're going to look at today. The first one is the amount of product, so the sale price. So this is $13,001. And over here in the products column, this is, let's just scroll down a little bit here so you can just see this. In the products column here, we've got 1,485. It says items, but that's products that have been sold. And the commission column on the right-hand side here, this is $6,351 in commissions. But more importantly in this video, what I want to show you is how these are autopilot buyers traffic offers. The majority of them, there are some other traffic offers that aren't autopilot, but the majority of that is autopilot buyers traffic. And I want to show you how you've got an opportunity as an affiliate to get your traffic for free. And that's the first step that I recommend to my students is you buy some traffic and then join as an affiliate and then get your traffic for free. And within these offers, there are multiple income streams promoting one link. So I'm going to show you some proof of that shortly. And that's great because what that means is it gives you the opportunity to get into profit faster with the done for you funnels within these offers. And then if you want to go to the next level, I want to show you how you can earn a profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. And what that means in the industry, it just means is where you get into profit with the offer you're promoting, and then you can take a percentage of those profits and you can buy some more traffic from your profits instead of, if you're like me, you've got a full-time job, instead of buying traffic from your job income or your wages or any savings that you've got in your bank account. So the funded traffic proposal is profitable, and that's how you can scale up faster. And at the end, I'm going to give you an opportunity. I'm going to show you my very simple three-step strategy of how you've got an opportunity to earn thousands of dollars with these Warrior Plus offers. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not guaranteeing this will work for you. I'm just giving you the opportunity and the strategy that I use, and that way you've got an opportunity to duplicate these results. So let's have a look. First of all, I want to just show you that these are membership sites. The majority of these are membership sites. And I always do recommend promoting membership sites because then you can start to earn a solid, stable monthly income. You'll see here that this circular arrow down the right-hand side is the amount of months in a row that each member has been paying. So this member 11 months in a row. If you see any gaps in between, they're new members coming in. This one 5 months in a row. This one 9 months in a row. 15 months in a row here. And if we scroll down, what you'll see is you'll see all these circular arrows. So 21 months in a row. So the reason that the membership, there's a high retention within the membership is because a lot of the members, well, first of all, they're getting a great product. They're getting to automate the business. They're getting buyers in front of their offers. And research shows that buyer traffic is the best traffic you can get. But they're also, a lot of them are becoming affiliates. So getting their traffic for free. So you then get a high retention of affiliates, which that means for you, that means you get a solid, stable monthly income from these membership sites. So all these circular arrows you'll see down the right hand side, and you'll see lots of new members coming in because you've got new people every single day coming online. Traffic is an evergreen niche. So you've got new people, any gaps here, you've got new members coming in because everyone needs traffic. And then what you've got is you've got buyer traffic offers, and research shows that's the best traffic you can buy because buyers buy over and over again. So let's just have a look now at the multiple income streams built into some of these offers. An opportunity to get your traffic for free even faster. This one here is an example of Click Traffic Cyclone. So Click Traffic Cyclone, I think, has got about 7 products in the funnel. So you will just promote one link, and then the product owners have put these products in to help members build their business faster. So if it's within their budget and if they think the product's going to help them succeed, then they will purchase the product. And this one here is from Click Traffic Cyclone, and this is all from one member. So they bought the front end product here, Click Traffic Cyclone. They've upgraded to one-time offer. They've upgraded to one-time offer 2, one-time offer 4, and one-time offer 5. $46, $30, $11, $6, and 3. That's a total of about $98 in commission that you would earn as an affiliate. And that product costs, I think it's less than $5. So you can see the potential there by promoting these offers of getting into profit faster. And then if I come up here just a little bit, you'll see a couple more examples of higher ticket offers. The Click Engine here has got a $45 commission there. This one's a yearly. Click Engine's got a yearly one where they save 2 months, a $23 commission. So there are lots of, another one here, another one yearly paid, $23. So there are, there's a great potential there just by promoting one link. Now, what I want to show you now is, let's go into this page here. So this is my strategy that I follow to get the results that I'm showing you here today. And what you do is watch this video here. So I'm going to pin this page to the first comment below the video you're watching now. And it's how I'm able to automate daily commissions and earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus, but more importantly, how you can too. So when you watch this video here, I outline the 3 simple steps so you can start to earn commissions with Warrior Plus. More importantly, get into profit. These are the four products that I promote within this page. And then further down here, I'm going to give you this page so you can set up a page like this one. So if you decide you want to follow the strategy, and then I'm going to give you this page, and all you do is join Leads Leap for free here, and then copy this code into Leads Leap, and then that will it'll completely duplicate the whole page for you. So all you've got to do is put your affiliate links into here. You can take some of these out. You can put other products in. It's entirely up to you. The complete page is editable and customizable. And I've done a tutorial here that will show you how to edit a share code page like this. So it's even beginner friendly as well. If you're brand new and you want to start to earn Warrior Plus commissions, you can start for under $5 following the strategy. That's $5 a month. I think it's $4.90 for the cheapest product. And then even when you duplicate this page, you can put your Leads Leap affiliate link into here. And if anybody joins Leads Leap, then you can earn Leads Leap monthly recurring affiliate commissions as well. So I'm going to give you that page. It'll keep the video on there for you. It'll completely duplicate everything. And if you're somebody who likes to read rather than watch videos, then I created a blog post outlining the strategy step by step. And what I'll do is I will put this blog post, a link to this blog post in the description. So you can click on that link. It'll take you to this page. If you're someone that some people like to read rather than watch videos, and so blogs are great for that, for the readers. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of the content in this video, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email, or if you'd like some mentoring or some one-to-one help, then just send me an email. I can help you out. And the link in the description, the first comment will be this page here. So if you watch this video here, that's going to give you more of an idea of exactly how I've achieved these results that I've shown you today. So thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.